Innovation is the only sustainable form of differentiation. Hi, welcome to another series of innovation news updates from nttcomdd. My name is Hui-Yung Seong. Hi, in this section we will cover the topic of conversational chatbots using AI. First, let's begin to understand what a chatbot is. It's defined as a computer program that enables humans to have conversations with computers. In other words, they simulate human conversations. A chatbot is a conversational application that aids in customer service, engagement, and support by replacing or augmenting human support agents with artificial intelligence and other automation technologies that can communicate with end users via chat. Next, let's look at the history of chatbots. Chatbots have been around for decades, started in the year of 1960s. However, only in recent years have they become more popular. The conversational virtual assistant came into existence after Apple launched Siri in 2010. The concept of virtual assistant became popular, and after that, a couple of more conversational bots were launched like Google Assistant by Google, Cortana by Microsoft, and Alexa by Amazon. In the beginning, conversational bots started as virtual assistants, which could help users in online searches, respond to voice commands, play music, etc. But with time, especially after 2015, conversational AI developed at a fast pace, and businesses started using AI-powered chatbots and voice bots for various use cases in various work functions, from sales to operations to support. Broadly, chatbots can be classified into two categories. The first type is what we call task-oriented or declarative. It functions based on rules and can respond to only simple predefined queries. A scripted chatbot has a set of questions that it can respond to with a corresponding set of answers. It's a single-purpose program that focuses on performing one function. This is an extremely fundamental type of chatbot, which generally works on a simple if-else constructs. Its performance highly depends on the programming skills of the developer. The second type is what is known as data-driven and predictive or conversational. It functions based on AI, which is the technology that allows the bot to learn from the interactions. It's much more sophisticated, interactive, and personalized than task-oriented chatbots. They are contextually aware and leverage natural language understanding, NLU, natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning to learn as they go. At the core, it has a language processing and understanding model with pre-trained instances using deep learning. It can communicate through both text and speech. An example of this is Google Dialogflow, which is what we use in our demo. Chatbots are being used for different purposes in different industries, such as e-commerce, healthcare, banking, finance, insurance, manufacturing, retailing, tourism, travel, and hospitality. Some of the common use cases including customer support, boosting sales, personalized recommendations, for example, guiding customers to buy the correct product by answering their questions, customer complaints handling, performing flights, hotel bookings, used for customer relationship management, used to answer frequently asked questions, FAQs. What are the advantages of chatbots? First, it offers 24/7 customer support, which is always available. Second, it reduces customer wait times and provides immediate answers. Third, uniform customer experience. It can solve customer concerns and queries in multiple languages. And not only that, it helps to lower the operational cost. Next, it can support the integration with various channels and platforms like Microsoft Teams, Facebook Messenger, Line, etc. Last but not least, better monitoring and insight generation. Chatbots can collect feedback from each interaction to help businesses improve their services and products or optimize their websites. Now let's go through some of the chatbot development frameworks available. Google Dialogflow is a natural language processing platform that makes it easy to design and integrate a conversational user interface into your mobile app, web application, device, bot, interactive voice response system, and so on. Microsoft Bot Builder with CLU, Conversational Language Understanding. Azure Bot Service enables you to build intelligent, enterprise-grade bots with ownership and control of your data. Amazon Lex is a service for building conversational interfaces into any application using voice and text. It provides advanced deep learning functionalities for automatic speech recognition, ASR, to convert speech to text, and NLU to recognize the intent of the text, to enable you to build applications with highly engaging user experience and lifelike conversational interaction. Rasa provides the infrastructure and tools necessary for high-performing, resilient, proprietary contextual assistance. A bit different from all these platforms listed, because it requires a bit more coding language expertise. You should be good at coding to create a Rasa bot. It's open source and you can use it freely. Wit.ai by Meta. This makes it easy for developers to build applications and devices that you can talk or text to. In previous slide, we have briefly covered what Google Dialogflow is about. So now let's go deeper. Dialogflow can analyze multiple types of input from the users, including text or audio inputs like from a phone or voice recording. It can also respond to the users in a couple of ways, either through text or with synthetic speech. By leveraging these capabilities and what the developer provides as input training data, Dialogflow creates unique algorithms for each specific conversational agent. It continuously learns and tweaks these algorithms by itself as more and more users engage with the agent. This diagram shows the traffic flow of the restaurant virtual assistant that we have set up in our lab. From the left, the end user has two options to contact the restaurant virtual assistant, either via line instant messaging or telephony, where we use Dialogflow Phone Gateway in our setup. When the end user types or speaks, Dialogflow matches the end user expression to the intents and extracts parameters. For certain intents like opening times query and table booking, Dialogflow sends a webhook request message to the webhook service. This message contains information about the matched intent, the action, the parameters, and the response defined for the intent. The service then performs actions as needed. In this case, it will make REST API call to the ResOS platform, which is a reservations and table management system hosted in the cloud. After that, the service sends a webhook response message to Dialogflow. The message contains the response that should be sent to the end user. Dialogflow will then send the response to the end user. Now let's show the first demo using Line as an instant messaging platform. This is the restaurant virtual assistant chatbot. Let's start by greeting the chatbot. This is a greeting by the virtual assistant, and there are some quick replies provided over here. So let's say we would like to check out the restaurant menu. You can click here to see the restaurant menu. And then we can enlarge any of these menu images. Let's close it, and next we can actually check out the location of the restaurant by clicking the Show Location. The chatbot will return the image of the restaurant as well as the location. And then this location will allow us to check it out in the Google map. Okay, with the coordinate provided, it will allow us to get the direction easier. Let's switch back to the Line platform. And next, let's check out the opening times. You can click on the quick reply here. So the chatbot will actually extract the opening times from the ResOS platform. The next thing that we would like to do is to make a reservation. So let me type, I would like to make a reservation. And the chatbot is asking how many guests, 4 person. When would you like to book the table? I would say this Friday. Timing, I just put 6 p.m. Okay. Next, the chatbot will ask for my name, put my name, and then asking for my contact number, and then my email address. All right. So I have got the confirmation message that the booking was successful. Okay, so that's the demo on using the Line platform to interact with the virtual assistant, and we can actually check out the ResOS platform to confirm that the booking is stored in the database. We can see that this is a new reservation that we just made earlier. And next thing that we are going to show is using the telephone to interact with the virtual assistant. Okay, now let's start to call the restaurant number.
Good afternoon. I am the virtual assistant of Rakuzen Japanese restaurant. How may I help you today?
Hi, may I know where is your restaurant?
We are located at lot 6.09.00, level 6, Pavilion Kuala Lumpur, 168 Jalan Bukit Bintang, 55,100 Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
Do you open this Friday?
We are open from 12 o'clock to 2200.
I would like to book a table for 4 this Friday.
What time would you be coming?
7:30 p.m.
Yes, of course. May I have your name, please?
John.
May I have your contact number, including your country code, please?
601435789.
May I have your email address, please?
john@yahoo.com.
Booking confirmed for 4 guests for the 8th of September 2023 at 19:30.
Thank you.
Thank you for contacting us. Have a great day.
All right. So we can see that the booking has been made successfully. So let's switch back to the ResOS platform to confirm that. Okay. Now we can see another booking has been made under the name of John. We have just concluded the demo using the telephony to interact with the restaurant virtual assistant. Thank you, and we shall see you on our next episode of nttcomdd Innovation News Update.